Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80070422 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. Search for fast.com in the in the browser search bar and go to the site. If the internet connection is good enough, then proceed to the next solution. If it's not, then troubleshoot the internet connection first. Now, the second solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Now select other troubleshooters and then click on Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So copy the list of commands. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste them here and hit enter. So this will stop the services associated with Windows updates. Delete the Windows Update profile, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat22 folders, re-register the DLLs, reset WinSock, and finally restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.